Panguva ino hazvinakumira zvakanaka the ruling party ZANU-PF but pane clear cut differences kwaunyazokuonekwa kunzi who support who. Ndisati apinda mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino at a time yatiri kuona kuti mumabarracks chabvondoka panguva ino after mapamphlets asirculatiwa nemamilitary soldiers zvauya zvikasafiye mudhe zvikananda function. Ndisati apinda mashoko at the same time yatiri kuona kuti old guard soldiers panguva ino they are no longer attending zvigananda. Don't forget subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timina pana pandini emano posta these two pictures. Utangara tona red Precabe farm. Atona the members of the JOC present, and the other one tona the Wonde Valley situation, the funeral. Pango ina tona kuti the old guard. Pakumana vana Sanyatwe. Atona na General Geji. Na VP Konsano Chwenga. They are present. Pango ina tona kuti is either they are attending their own events or they are not attending the other factions events. Then Emmanuel Blanirachi regarding the Precabe versus Wonde Valley situation. Sigauke reported that soldiers on duty, the night leaflets were scattered across the barracks, are undergoing interrogation by the commanders. Furthermore, the Minister of Defense is exacerbating the crisis by accusing other leaders based on gossip rather than evidence. Azvipere mushe, the corridors of power are on fire. Doma developments are kuda panguva ina tukona kuti nauye kutonga, nauye succession, nauye constitutional amendments ndiri kukonzeresa all these divisions. Pangunyos kuda pachena kuti panguva ina these old guys they've decided kuti avo havachatendi meetings gatherings ezvigananda, they are doing their own things. Panguva ina they've deflected vakati no, atingarambi tichiatenda these people who are against us and people who are against the law, people who are against the people. Doma developments ari kubuda panguva ine atiri kuona kuti kumabarracks chabvondoka zvekare. Kana comment section medu dzafungira enyu mati kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, continue to turn on the bell icon.